That's my type. That's my type, nigga.
Hi guys, it's Darion Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get ready. So this is just going to be a super quick and simple look. This look right here. So if you want to know how I did it and also how I finessed my hair, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my moisturizer. So this moisturizer is from Cetaphil and I'm just putting it all over my face. And then after I do that, oh crap, I did not put on primer. Well, I would put on primer next, but I just went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation and just put that all over my face. After I went in with foundation, I'm now going to use my Milani concealer, and I'm just going to put this wherever I want to be really bright. And then I'm not going to blend it out yet. I'm going to go in with another concealer. The second concealer is from L'Oreal, and this is their, I don't remember the name of it, but I will put it in the description box. And I'm just going to use this to contour my face. So as you guys can see, I'm just going around the perimeter of my face and also my nose, and to give me just, you know, a little more definition and bring a little life into my face. And then after that's done, I'm going to blend in the lighter Milani concealer, and it'll just, you know, seamlessly blend everything in. So if you're wondering if I use a powder contour, the answer is no. I stopped using it, and now I don't know, I really like using the concealer. I just feel like my face just looks a lot more, I don't know, dewy and glowy and nice without all that powder. But speaking of powder, I am going to use a powder, and I'm only going to use a little bit. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, their loose powder, and I don't know what color this is. Again, I will put it in the description box, but I'm just going to use this sparingly around my face. So this is just sort of setting in the concealer and just making it so that my makeup doesn't break apart and look all nasty later on. After I'm done powdering my face, I'm then going to go ahead and start on my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, first I just use this old mascara wand just to brush through them and make sure they're nice and uniform. And then after that, I like to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony and use that just to fill in my brows and, you know, give them a lot more shape, character, definition, all that stuff. Now, after I filled in my brows with the pomade, I'm then going to go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to use that to sort of carve underneath my brow, and that's just going to sort of lift them up and also clean up any mistakes or grossness that I may have made. Now after I blend everything out, I'm then going to use this NYX pressed powder, and I'm just going to dust this all over my face, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Once that's done, I'm then going to use this NYX eyeliner and just do a cute little cat eye wing liner look. After I line my eyes, I'm then gonna go ahead and tightline my eyes. So I'm just using this Sony Akashic, I don't know what you call this, but I'm just using that to tightline, and this is just gonna make my eyes stand out a lot more. And since I'm using up false eyelashes, it's just gonna make everything just blend in together much nicer. So remember earlier when I said that my face looks a little powdery when I use too much powder? Well, I kind of did that just a teeny bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. setting spray and just spray it all over my face, and that's just gonna make everything look a lot more dewy and just feel not as powdery. And then after that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and use a mascara. This one is from L'Oreal. It's their L'Oreal Paradise mascara. It's my favorite one. And I'm just going to use that a little bit. I am going to use false eyelashes, but not yet. Before I put on my eyelashes, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty highlighter stick thing. I don't know what color this is, but this is the Goldie one. I think it's Blondie. And I'm just going to pop that on a few different areas that I want to highlight and bring attention to. So that is around my eyes, my nose, and my little Cupid's bow. Then, once everything's highlighted, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my false eyelashes. So, yeah, this kind of took a long time to do, but I'm getting the hang of it. Now, I used a cream highlight, but I also like to use a powder highlight. So the powder highlight I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It's their warmer palette. Again, I don't remember the name, but I'm just going to mix a few different colors, the two Goldie shades, and just, you know, highlight my face. And then, of course, I had to pause and take a moment to do a little selfieing. And then once that was done, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair. So for my hair, it's pretty much done. If you didn't know, what I have going on is a quick weave. I was gonna show you guys how I did it, but it was really, really simple and I was tired and I didn't wanna. So, anywho's, yeah, quick weave. That's what I have in my head. So all I'm really gonna do is just go around my edges and just fix those up and make sure that they look really nice and crisp and not crazy. And then what I also did off camera was I flat ironed the top of my head and a few of the little extension pieces just so that it matched and it was a little flatter at the top of my head. Then once my hair was done, I popped on a random lip gloss and got changed, and that was it. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I want to do lots more makeup get ready with me style videos. I think these are really, really fun. So if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I will see you later. Bye.